Okay. Start kay Tene versus Mike for the jumper. Up. Nakuha agad ni... Sino ba yun? Ayun! Si Lord ang nakakuha ng bola. Pinasa kay Tito Ron. Tito Ron in the drive. Dribbling. Okay. Up. Okay, foul. Good foul.
MVP!
Number 13, si Kuya Mark. First foul. Tayo kay Tito Ron. Tito Ron's first attempt. Pumasok. Pumasok ang isang free throw. Pangalawa, wala. Ayun, dahan-dahan lang dinababa ang bola. Pinasa kay Wachile. Ayan, Wachile, pinasa kay Kuya RJ. Pinasa kay Master. Master, hindi alam ang gagawin. Pinasa. Ay, ano pangalan niya? Si Kuya RJ naman po ang nakakuha ng bola. Master, tumira ng dos. Wala. Good, good.
JK with the rebound.
JK. Pinasa kay Lordy. Lordy dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Ashley. Pinasa kay Lordy. Op, wala. Yun, oh. Lolo JK in the rebound. Yun. 3-0. Ante, nasa mainstream kami ba? Yun. 3-0. Kausap na. Pag may dito, usap. 19 kay Master.
Para napadaan lang. Para napadaan lang.
Oo nga eh. Yun.
Sprint.
Si Tito Ron na naman. Tumira, yes sir. Ang score ay 5-0 na. 5-0, favor of red team. Inamama yata tayo ni Tito Ron.
Alam na this.
Alam na this.
Oh shit!
Yo! Master, tumira ng dos. Wala. Nakakuha ni... Ayan!
Go! All day!
Lordy.
All day!
Long hair versus long hair. Ipinasa kay no hair. No hair! Yes sir!
Ay, nakarang ba ako?
7-0 na po ang score.
No hair.
Sige lang. Reserve timeout for Purple para daw mag-usap sila sa bench. Ayan na po. Kimar, ang lalaki. Hirap mag-trip niyan. Yun. Nakakuha ni Tene. Yun, dribbling the ball. Dinadiretso. Yun. Nakakuha pa rin ni Tenteneneng. Ayun. Okay. Time out. Time out. Purple team.
Oh shit! Napakalakas ng red, pre!
Yes, napakalakas talaga. 9-0. 9-0. Meron na pa. Ayan na. 9-0 na po. Naghahanap pa rin ng unang shoot ang Purple. Pinasa sa hugot. Hugot. Tumira ng dos. Wala. Tapos, ayun. Steal. Steal plus shoot. Yun, ang napakagandang steal plus shoot ang nangyari kay Kuya Mar. Lolo JK in the house. Lolo JK. Dinibol. Pinasa kay Teneng. Teneneng. Wala. Sino nakakuha ng bola? Okay na. Ayan na si Magician. Nakakuha ni Tito Lordy. Oy, salamat daw. Parang chow lang ha. Parang pachow lang ha. Parang pachow lang. Yun. Nakakuha rin siya. Yes, sir. Si Magician in the house. Si Magician po. Ang score ay 9-4. Mahabol na po ang Purple sa pamamagitan ni Magician. Tumira ng 3 points. Parang si Pajardo. Basket. 3 points. Tito Ron. Yes. MVP. Tito Ron. Titira ng 3 points din si Kuya RJ. Wala. Ano yung chow? Recho mo na. 3 na mo na. Malupit talaga. Lolo JK. Yes. Yun! Master! Lolo JK again! Yeah! Akaship na talaga si Lolo J. Doon ba? Who's foul? RJ, first personal foul. Substitution. Oy, blue team. Tawagin nyo nga sila. Ayun na si Baste. Dumating na si Baste. Yes, sir. Ayan na. Nagmamadali si Magician. Pinasa kay Kuya RJ. Nakakuha ni Tineng. Nakakuha uli ni Tito Ron. Ayan na. Tira ba na? Yoles. Woo! Hokage! It's over, finish! Nakashoot na si Hokage, 0-0. Nakakuha pa ng highlights yun. Tira mo na, Kuya RJ. Tumira ng 3 points. Yan. Jogging. Sa pool. Grabe yun, sa ulo talaga? Oo. Tene, burst. Yes sir, pumasok. Tene, for the second time around. Wala, rebound pa rin nila. Kanila pa rin ang rebound. Ano lang talaga nila? Yes sir. Tito Ron, boundary na, pwede na ilabas. Para may pagkakataon naman yung iba. Tito Ron. Nasab daw. Sino nasab sa inyo? Seconds to shoot, shot clock, 9 seconds. Kuya RJ, tumira ulit ng 3, wala, nakakuha ni Tene. Tene, pass to Lordi. Lordi, nag-dribble. Lordi, tira mo na yan. Wow! Lumipad si Lordi. Finish na! Tapos na pulong. Ayun na. Binigay kay Magician, tumira ng 3 points. Yes sir! Magician, 3 points. Yun, dalawang steal na yun. Uy! Wow. 2 shot. Kakadalawang. Miracle Coffee. I also... Tito Dots? In? 3 kalbo now inside. No. 4 skinheads inside, ha? 4 inside. Oh, who's foul? Number 8, Omar. Si Tito Omar, foul. Pumasok. Yun. Magician, first shot. 21-8. Wala na, di ba first quarter? 1 minute na lang eh. Bike quarter isa lang, no? Bike quarter isa lang. Uy! Ganyan pa rin bola. Malaki talaga. Oh, who's foul? Number 16, raise your hand. Who? Number 8. Sumampong, patayan mo si Mother, ha? Oh, pumasok. 21-9. No Marco, no Cholo. Oh. Kalbo lang. Okay, Kuya RJ. 4 in 1. Tumira, yes sir! Villamor! Number 58, 4-2. 10 na lang ang kalamangan. Umahabol na po ang purple. Oh! Kaya pa yan, Kuya Mar. Kaya yan. Yun, oh! Bigay na! Layo, mataas. Mahanda ng oras. Okay. Sige, pasok. Pagbigyan mo na. Hindi na abot eh. 7 seconds shot. 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Op. Oras. End of the first quarter. 10 ang red.
Score 21-13 in favor of Ray. Number 7 for Ray. No. Rebel by number 16. Team ball. No good. Rebound by number 21. 21. Oh, for Ray. No good. Number 18, no good. The score 21-16 in favor of Red. Number 20. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 5. Oh, basket naman. Number 20. Steal again. Grab by 45. 45 now. 45. Pass to Saro, no good. Grab by number 7. Pass there. The score 23-18. Number 21 to number 13. 4-3. No good. Grab by number 20. 10 seconds to shoot. No good again. Number 5. Number 5. No good. Grab by Saro. Saro. Dribbling the ball, pass to number 7. No good. Grab on by 0-0 again. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket by 0-0. Back to 7-point lead. 25-18. Number 21. Dribbling the ball. 21 to number 91. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Number 13 for 3. No good. Number 7. Number 7. Basket na naman by number 7. Number 7 to number 18. No good. Ball. Number 13 out, 58. 50. To number 21. 21 to number 50. 10 seconds to shoot. 15. Jump shot, no good. Number 20. He scored 27-20. Red up by 7. Number 16. 10 seconds shoot. 5. Number 21. Basket. Basket by number 7. Number 5. Photo shot. Photo shot by number 7. Rebel by number follow up. 7-point lead, 9-point lead again. Number 20. To number 5. Number 5. No good. 91 for 3. No good again to number 1. 21. Basket. Three minutes and 50 remaining. For 7. To number 16. 16. Foul. Foul. Number 16. Easy basket. He scored 33-24. So good. Rebel by number 18. 18 to number 20. 8 seconds to shoot. So good. Rebel by number 27. 37 to number 7. 7. Drive to the basket. No good. By foul. Basket. Thirty-four, 24. Basket naman. 2 minutes and 20. Running time 2 minutes and 18. 91 to. Oh. Kaya pa. Two minutes. Second quarter. And we're away. Scored 35-27, 8-point lead. 13 to number 91 for 3. Pangag na naman. High-point lead. 35-30. Number 7. 7. Oh, we got no good. Foul si number 91 for the foul. Ten seconds to shoot. Number 16. Jumper, no good. Rebel by number 7 again. No good again. Rebel by number 31. 31, harus by number 5. Number 20 for 3. Pangag na naman. Two-point lead. 60. 30 seconds remaining. Number 60 to number 61. 61. Basket. 10 seconds remaining. Four, two, one, and of the first half. The score 37-33. Red ball, rhythm, up by 4. Number 5, no good. Rebound by number 7. 7 to number 16. Oy, nasiba. So good. Rebound by number 13. 13 to number 21. Oh, good. Number 61. 61. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket by number 7. Number 5. 5. Wow, no good. Rebound by number 5 again. No good. Rebound by number 21. 20. 250. Same ball. Number 5. Number 5. Wala pa rin. Number 7 naman. Wala. May foul. May foul. Third personal foul. Number 20. Third personal foul. Third personal foul, number 20. Number 7, last free throw, pass off. They score 40-33. 3-0 run. Number 19, no good. Rebound by number 61. 70. Very good. Rebound by number 30. Ball. 30 to number 5. Number 5. Take a shot. No good. Rebound by 61. 61 to number 7. To number 16. Number 17. Basket. Highway lead, 42-33. Bumalik na naman sa Sebastian. Basket. Number 20. Number 7, by foul basket. Sabrep. Second tip out. Bonus free throw. By number 7. So good. Rebound by number 19. 19 to number 20. 13. Serving the ball. 13. 13. Pinasa. Oh, bumawi din. Basket. May kasama pang foul. Team ball. Bonus shot. by number 21. 21, no good. Ay. May foul si numero 5. Pushing foul. 61, pull up jumper, no good. Rebound by number 30. 5 minutes and 50. Number 5. Nakalusot. Number 5. Naagawan. Oh, no good. Hindi naagaw. Wala pa rin. Isa kanya pa rin. Ayaw pa rin. Red ball.
Masakit naman ako kay Gary.
Ha?
Masakit naman ako.
Number 20.
Ayos lang.
Masakit naman ako.
1 for 3. No good. Waiting to number 7. Number 7. Oy. Ay, foul. Pinching foul by number 7. Number 7 pinching foul. 7. Second personal foul, number 7. 15. So number 20. No good. Rebound by Nato. 4 minutes and 40. The score 44. 7. Red ball, number 10, up by 7. Number 8. Oh, wala. 5 seconds to shoot. 4. Good. Basket. May kasama pang foul. Foul number 13 foul.
Basketball ko talagang seryoso yan. Lalaro mo, hindi parang King Koy.
Bonus free throw, basket.
Oh shit, I couldn't wait to play you guys.
Hey, check out the shoot. 5. Good ball. Time out. More ball time. Seventeen pass to. Oh, what a move by Saro.
Yes sir! Parang ba ako?
Ayos lang.
Number 20. 20. 10 seconds to shoot.
Swing!
Number 13. 3 seconds. Violation.
Next!
45. To number 37. 37. 0-0. Kumuha natin naman. No good. Oh, kuha by number 45. 45 to number 17. 17. 0-0. 0-0. Oh, ang galing nun.
Oh shit! God damn, bro!
Kuha sa kamera natin. 30. My foul. First team foul. 13. 13. No good. Rebound by number 0-0. 0-0. 0 to number 5. Number 5. No good. 4 ball. 50. 50. Hindi makapasok. 10 seconds to shoot. 50. Oh. 1 minute and 37.
8 seconds.
Seconds violation.
Harap!
1 minute and 25. Number 20, 20, layup basket by number 20. Nakapasok pa rin. Okay. Sabrep, substitution. Forty-three seconds remaining. Number 20. Number 19. Pull up jumper, no good. Rebound by number 20. I foul. I foul the number. Second personal foul, number 18. Warning for penalty. Putin. 32 seconds remaining. Second free throw. Basket. Swak. 20 seconds remaining. Oh, my foul. Penalty. Two shots. Number 19 foul. First personal foul, number 19. First free throw, basket. Second free throw. Basket again. 8 seconds. Five, 3, and of the third quarter is score 53-40. Brady to number 61, fall of jumper, no good. Rebound by, basket naman by number 7.
Oh, lamang.
Stop clock na tayo, sir. Bam! More three. Oh, nice steal by number 30. 30 now. 30. To number 5. Number 5. Oh, wala pa rin. 61. Oh, steal na naman. Two steal again. Back to back steal. Number 20. Number 20, 21, 8 seconds shoot. 5.
Shot block!
May foul. Foul si number. Number 20 again. Bang! 55-46. Number 18. 8 seconds shoot. Offensive foul. Number 18, Third personal foul. Tatlo shot. Opo. Number 50. To number 20 again. No good. Rebond by number 18. To number 16. 16 driven one. 16 pass to number 18. 45, 4-3. No good. Rebond by number 7. 7! Oh! Basket. May kasama pang foul. Number 19 foul. First personal foul by number 19. Bonus free throw. So good. Rebond by number 20. Foul. Third team foul. Retrieve. Kumira na tres. Number 5 again. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 5. Wala pa rin. Stepping line. Number 5. Ay, foul. Hindi lang talaga natin mabago to. Sabit. Number 00. In. Out. EP. First free throw, no good. Second free throw. Basket. Number 7. Purple ball. Thirteen for 3. No good. Rebound by nakuha. 13. My 3 seconds violation. Last 6 minutes and 55. Number 17. By foul. Traveling. Number 5. Oh, sayang. Makakuha sana ng foul. Penalty. Number 7 foul. 2 shots. Third personal foul. Number 7. Tatlo.
Isa.
Second free throw. Basket. Zero to number 7. Oy. Good. Number 20. 20 layup. No good. Rebound by 61. 61 to number 7. 7 to number 16. Basket. Last 6 minutes. 13 to number 20. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 7. 7 out. Number 7. 7 layup. Basket. 11. 4 ball. Number 50. 50 now, saving the ball. To number 13. To number 5. Number 5, tumira na tres. Oh, wala pa rin. Kuha. 150. 15. 3 seconds naman si number 20. Oh, basket by number 37. Number 5, Bulbilga. No. 7 seconds to shoot. And 8 seconds to shoot. 5. 2. 24 seconds. Number 7. Number 7. Eight seconds shoot. Number 20. 5. My foul. Penalty. Number 16 foul. First personal foul. Penalty. First free throw. No good. Second free throw. Basket. 47. Last 3 minutes and 57. For 7. 7. 7. For 7. 61. Basket. Last 3 minutes. Oh, no good. Number 7. 7. No good. Rebound by 21. Pass to number 15. 15. Pass to number 20. Malayo ang pasa. 20 for 3. Wala pa din. Ay, agaw. Basket. Time out. Red. Agaw. No, hindi na agaw. Number 8. Basket. Last 2 minutes. To number 21. 21 to number 20. 20. Agaw. Agaw by number 16. 16 to number 8. Pops. Number 5. 5 to number 70. Ubikot. No good. Number 58. 58. Oh, tapan. Number 17 naman. 17, pass to number 5. Number 5, lihat. Lang naman. Last 1 minute and 5. Number 58, no good. Red away. Foul Z number 8. Illegal contact. Last 1 minute and 1 second. First free throw, basket. Basket pa rin. Last 58. Number 5. Number 5. Basket by number 5. Basket naman by number 21. Last 30. Wala pa rin. 13. Basket. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Final score 71-57.